Hi, this is Michelle Eubanks with She Knows Real Estate. Today I'm bringing you a special guest, Nick Elias from Str8line Insurance, and we're gonna ask him some questions today about insurance and about himself too, to learn more about how can we save some money and just give us some tips. So Nick, what makes a Str8line Insurance unique or special and different from the big names?
We have access to virtually every carrier in the state of Texas. So what we do is we quote you through all the carriers from the lowest to the highest rates. They'll line up.
Okay.
And we want to make your lives as easy as possible whenever it comes to the insurance side of things. Sometimes the insurance can make or break a closing of the home. We want to make sure that's not a worry for you.
So getting the right coverage is important, right?
It's very important.
So how can we apply for a quote?
Well, you can. My email is going to be at the bottom of this video here on Michelle, and we can go ahead and send me the address. I'll quote it through all the carriers, and I'll have that back to you in a matter of minutes. And then I'll be sure to go over all the coverages with you. You're my boss. I work directly for you. I don't work for any of these carriers, so I want to make these coverages exactly how you want.
Yeah, knowing really what coverage you get and what the deductibles and the information is really essential. Some of my clients, they're like, we don't do this every day. We really need an expert to give us the understanding of what's going on that declarations page and understanding insurance when you really need it and incidents happen. So give us some tips on how to get some lower rates.
Well, something you really want to pay attention to is the age of the home. If it's a newer home, it's going to be significantly less than what it would be in an older home.
Okay.
But again, we'll have a market for everything, so we'll always still be able to find you some decent rates with an older home. Now, the other thing is that if it's an older home, though, a lot of carriers here in Texas will give you limited coverage on mold or sometimes even no coverage, which is very interesting to know. Now, the other thing is pay attention to the roofs. If it's like a pyramid roof, it's going to be significantly lower. Those pyramid roofs are called hip roofs.
Okay.
So it's like the shape of the pyramids of Giza. So it's going to break up the wind on all the sides. So the carriers are going to look at it like it's a less risk than the home that has a gable roof, where you'll see it'll be triangle on two sides of the house, and there's only sloped on the other side. So when the wind hits it, it provides more resistance against the wind, which creates more of a chance for the roof to break during a tornado or hurricane. The other thing is...
what about flood insurance?
Flood insurance, that's a great question. We have flood maps where we can go ahead and just put the address in. They'll let us know where in the flood map you're at, so you'll know if you're in a high-risk flood zone or not.
Oh, so even before purchasing a home, we can call you to check on a quote?
Yes, definitely.
That is good to know. So I know insurance can be, pretty overwhelming, but tell us that you're bilingual, right?
Yes, claro que sí.
So if you're looking for a good bilingual agent, he's your guy. Tell us a little bit more about you, just to get to know Nick.
Well, I have been an insurance agent here for about 4 years. I'm originally from Florida. So something we got in common there, the humidity of Houston with Florida, and the thing is, I fell in love with the food you guys have here. The barbecue is absolutely amazing, and so is the tacos, because we're just so much closer to Mexico. All the Mexican food, I think, even tastes better here than back there.
So true. I mean, we do have a diversity in Houston, so...
It's a melting pot. I love that.
Thank you so much, Nick, for having us. If you have any questions about insurance, please feel free to call Nick. Again, he speaks Spanish. He's here local. He may answer all the questions that you may have. And if you have any questions about how to get a home or trying to sell your home, let me know. My name is Michelle Eubanks. This is She Knows Real Estate, and I'll see you next week.